here we are. There we go. Right, so we finally made it here, sort of.
And then, would you like two hot dogs?
Yeah, I will go.
Chicken?
Yes, I will. We got here to the Intercontinental and they put these little bead things. That's our souvenir, I guess. But Brian got to ride in the Bula bus.
Yeah, parked the car and they got the Bula bus back.
And we are going to go check in right now.
Here we have 266 rooms down here.
200
50 villas up on the hills.
Okay.
1424, right?
1422.
1422. It's club, the next stop is club, it's our cheap. Hola! Now we'll find dine restaurants. It's for adults only. And now you have to book if you have a dinner, right?
Okay.
This is another restaurant which is called Tomba. Tomba by Free. This is our family pool, all the kids pool. We have Tomba by in the middle right here. And the infinity pool is on the beach side. And that's the ice cream bar. The towers of the lake. This is where you guys check in the reception. Anyway, just a walk straight from here, then back to the reception. You guys will be staying in this bar.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, we just got to the Intercontinental and checked in. And that is the Entranceway Room.
Yep, there's our door. We just came in.
As soon as we come in here, we get little
Cart of things.
teacups, coffee, milk, random tea stuff. And they gave this to us when we first got here. And we had to do a little temperature check thing.
Oh yeah, that was a funny one. Put your hand in front of a thing and just like...
And then right here is a mini fridge with a bunch of amenities. I'm not sure if it's free, I doubt it. And some empty drawers.
We're going through all the tiny stuff before we even look at the rest of the place.
Anyway,
Okay.
right around here is
We're-
behind you.
We're just going to ignore the big part. We're going to look at all the little things on the side
Oh,
first.
right here we have ropes. We have an ironing board, a safe, slippers.
Yeah, that's important because we're going to take those later. Oh.
Check out that closet.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, okay. And this one's just empty storage.
Cool. And here is the bathroom. Is there a light? Okay, so here's the bathroom. We have a double vanity and we have a bunch of amenities here. We have shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and soap, and a little flower. We have a bottle of Fiji water right there with a hand towel. And what do we have in here? Oh, we have more amenities. We have a sewing kit, a cotton pad, and stuff. And right down there we have extras and a hairdryer and some extra towels. And I think that's the back of the other closet. And this is linked to the other closet. Right there we have towels, and right here we have a magnifying mirror. What's here? Right here is the toilet. And we have the shower over here. We have a rain shower head and a handheld and a soap. Right here we have a little desk with a phone. And we have a crazily made bed. I don't know what to think of it. Well, and then
we've got. Hey, you need to look at the bed a little closer here because there's more than one thing on there.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start on this side. So first of all, it's almost our 10th anniversary. So we've got the little, kissing birds here. And then Natalie also put a baby moon thing on there because we've got
Yoda.
trouble on the way. I think that's supposed to be an elephant.
Oh.
Maybe a little baby elephant. So.
That's a little extreme.
We weren't really expecting to have that here, but it's kind of fun to see it.
Couple chairs.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And a couple of chairs. All that stuff.
And then the TV.
TV in the corner. Nice decorations. And then we've got the balcony. This one's fun. We got like a nice lounge chair for 2 people. Nice chair. And then of course, there's a bathtub out here, which doesn't seem to have any way to really cover it up. So
There's like the curtain right there.
it's just an outdoor bath. Nice and comfy place to soak. All right. What's the verdict here? What do you think?
Well, I was kind of hoping they'd upgrade us, but I don't know if they did. like upgrade to a suite or something, because it's because of our platinum status.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Like we just booked the cheapest one because it is what it is. But it's still a really nice room. No?
Yeah, this is nice. I like it. It's more room than we need, and it looks nice. Also, we got a view down to their main pool.
They did recognize our status immediately.
Yeah.
And we had 2 separate bookings, and they let us stay over in the same one.
Yeah, we each had a free night to claim, which technically means we're under 2 different names, but we still get the same room. Don't have to recheck in, so
Which is nice.
at least we don't have to do that. But
So we have a view of the pool.
yeah, our next thing here though is we need to go take our little COVID tests because we're supposed to take one, 48 hours after arrival. So we get to take a little walk here in a couple, an hour or 2. All right.
Brian's testing out the bed. What you think? What's the verdict? Those are some interesting noises.
It's comfy. I need to figure out if I can actually sit up here. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. It's not bad.
Cool.
It's got a nice backrest here.
We are kind of by the Natadola Beach area and getting bit by bugs, but enjoying the sunset a little bit. So here are some of the locals who are trying to hassle people and gain some business.
Dinner in the show. Dinner in the show.
It's our first night at the Intercontinental, and Brian ordered a
Fijian barbecue chicken.
and I got a something yellow curry with prawn, something like that.
Yeah.
But it looks pretty good. Nicely plated. We got a smoothie. It's called Bananarama, I guess. So we are at Toba at the Intercontinental. We started on our smoothie already. And Brian got a Hawaiian pizza and I got fish tacos. It looks and smells really good because we didn't get breakfast. We are at Sana Sana. We were really tempted to get the buffet, but we ended up with this because it was half the price. And that you got the chili pork belly, and I got the Thai basil stir fry. It looks really good. So we are ready to check out of the Intercontinental Fiji Resort and Spa. What do you think of this day?
It's been nice. This place does feel like, it does feel different than some of the others somehow. It's like slightly older style or something.
I think the layout is really nice, and like if you want like historical charm, that's kind of what they're trying to do. But some of the cabinetry are kind of dented, so like just old. But otherwise, it's a good stay. The food's kind of expensive here. Off he goes. Ryan's gonna go pick up our car.